there are a lot of aspirants who are doing daily current affairs online. Those who are reading also newspaper. Those who are also referring or following up monthly magazine. And then now PT 365. Can you all do everything in current affairs? The answer is no. Right? And that is where you have to take a wise decision. Again, one problem which I did not tell you, which I now would like to highlight, the more you say no, the better it is for you. Start saying no to yourself and to the sources. You can't revise them. You can't follow all the daily initiatives which you've been following since months. If you've not revised them, then you can't do everything. There would be candidates who are revising them continuously, then it's fine. Otherwise, for those who have not followed or revised, let's say, daily current affairs, for them, you can either follow monthly, compilation or PT 365. But you have to come down to one eventually. Right? Because if you are integrating certain subjects which are current affairs loaded or heavy, for example economics, environment, S&T, जिसके लिए आपको current affairs करना ही होगा, those subjects you can go more deep. But for subjects, let's say geography, let's say history, you can't still be doing daily, you can't still be doing all the monthly compilations and then PT 365. ठीक है, तो you have to start saying no to yourself कि this is what I would rely on till the end. ठीक है, तो वो power of saying no बोलना ही पड़ेगा यहाँ पर.